Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Z James, this is Z33 Workshop, and this beside me is my Nissan 300ZX 93 convertible, doing rear suspension upgrades. This is going to be pretty quick. We're going to do the front link. I'm replacing it with a SPC unit as a kit. It's for camber lowering kit. I got it from Z1. Should be pretty easy. Looking so far. I'm going to do the passenger side first. Next up will be the driver's side, which will be a little bit more different. I'll show you that. Hopefully my battery lasts for all this. I can get it all recorded. My GoPro batteries are kind of going dead. Sorry for the very sparse updates lately. Just been busy. I think I probably said that last time in my videos. So let's get started on the project. Probably going to be another 19 millimeter situation up there. I'll let you guys know when I'm on it. So let's get to the car. So let's roll to it here. All right, everyone. We're on the. Well, let's get this light out of the way here. Hopefully you don't see too much. I'll get a lot of glare there, boys. There we go. Let's move this out. Or I'll do this. 19 millimeter on this. This is part of a lowering kit from SPC. I hit it with a little bit of lube to help break them loose. The kit comes with this front link and then the upper control arm. And this, we're going to take this off, so let me get this set up and we'll start taking it away. So here we go. Alright everybody, I know it was a long time lapse there. I'll probably edit some of that out. You're going to see my problem here. Hopefully I can get a good shot on it. This bolt won't come out with the upper control arm in. Now, there are two ways of doing this. I could just take this off and let this flop down to get access to this. Or I could cut it off. I am going to probably take this off to get access, because this is going to come out anyway. But I won't be able to tighten any of this stuff back up until I get this tightened and then that tightened to get this torque spec, and then I can take this back off. I've already hit this with penetrating lube and penetrating all of the back ones here to get this out, because this spring is coming out eventually. The shock is coming out. I'm replacing it, so let me see if I can do that now, and we'll do that in time warp. So here we go. it came out, needed to take that the outer bolt on the upper control arm out of the way. Now here's what the kit comes with: this piece and this bolt, which I'm assuming is meant to replace one of these, and to be frankly, it doesn't really matter which one it goes to replace. What I need to do is set this at the same length as this. So what I'm going to grab here is my caliper, because I think it should go big enough. Gonna be tight. Oh, it's just maybe. Yeah, here we go. Hopefully you're all seeing that. So measuring this hole inside to inside, looks like that is sitting at, I would say, 198 millimeters. I'm just double checking some stuff here, folks. That's bottom out for that. That's bottom out for that. So let's back these jam nuts off. And now I'm twisting this. If it's gonna be in the car, hang on, let's move it so it's in car. Whew. Man, this thing's got a lot of dust in it. Twisting it counterclockwise, which these are regular threads, these are left-handed threads, is what that basically means, because this is moving outward. I've got some ways to go yet. Perfect. So that's set to be exactly the same as that. Get my jam nut here. Get my jam nut here. Which, if you realize, I'm spinning it the other direction. Okay. Now I gotta be tight as possible. Then we're gonna put this back in the car. As you can see, there's no physical difference in location to this, to that. But this one's going farther in, and this one's going on the face outward. I'm probably gonna use the nice, good one on the inside, I think. And then I'm gonna reuse one of these other ones. I'm gonna clean them up here a little bit before I go do that. But I won't show you guys me doing that. So here we go. Next time you see this, we'll be putting it back. Alright, slow off time warp here real fast. Jam nut, front one, normal nut. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So jamming it in, 27 millimeter. Just tighten this up so I can get it to the alignment shop, just like the rest of them. Now the back one here is a lefty loosey. No, not a righty tighty lefty loosey. It's a lefty tighty righty loosey. The left-handed thread is what I'm trying to get at. So I'm going this way with it. That way you try to keep this adjustability out of the way at the moment. This one I pretty much had to get really cranked down tight. The back bolts here I am still working on, in fact. We'll see what I can get out of it. Biggest problem I have is getting my torque wrench in there to get them. And the torque specs for these, let me look them up for everybody here. Let's see here. Well, get back to my lovely app. Hopefully everyone can see. Going to the rear suspension. And this is the front link, which is, let's see if everyone can see this. I'll do this properly for everybody. So that should be this guy right here, which the front bolt is, looks like 57 to 72 foot-pounds, and the back is exactly the same. I'm gonna try best I can to get that. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's gonna be my best guess in getting this at the moment, because I don't know if I can get my torque wrench in the front one. So we're gonna have to give it a try, a whirl here. So here we go. Hey, that's gonna do it for today, folks. Running out of time. That took way longer than it needed to. I did not get the inner or the outer bolt on the front rear link tightened down to torque spec because I can't get a torque wrench in there. Not while it's under load. At least not with the tools I currently have. So my whip is one or two ugga-duggas. Hopefully it's tight enough to pinch everything in and it's not loose. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, but I had to try my best. Sorry for the fan noise. It is just hot in here now. Humidity is not great, and it's like 90-some degrees in my garage. So you just have to bear with the noise. I got to stay somewhat comfortable here. Yeah, this should be the second, third video of doing the rear suspension. Probably third. It's going to be a little longer than I want. And the next video I'm going to do, I'm probably going to stay working on the same side, just so I can get that done, since I've got the outer bolt for the upper control arm loosened. The next one will be the inner one. I'll do that tomorrow. I have got everything loosened up at the moment. Or not loosened, hit with penetrating oil to get it so I can loosen up. Everything is really tighter than I remember. On the parts card that I took apart, everything was a lot, I don't know if it was easier or harder. Disassembly, when you don't care, goes a lot faster than when you actually try to install. So surprisingly, everyone. So, yeah, that's where we're at tonight. So, hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Hoping to find them informative or useful. I mean, I'm doing it so I can remember what the heck I did. Those bolts need to be tightened down to, I did about 65 foot-pounds. It's 57 to like 72, so I just did a nice even middle 65. So anyway, that's gonna do today's video. I'm Z James, this is the Third Workshop. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Trying to get to a point where I might be monetized and get like 20 bucks at some point. For me, not you. For me, not you. So, all right, take care, everybody. Bye.